Hello everyone, unfortunately it's too dark for me to do my face video, but who cares. So in this one we've got a new one, it's measuring. Now it's not measuring what you think you might think we're measuring, we're actually measuring something a bit more mathematical. So let's play. So in this case we're given these and we need to find a third of each of them. So say for example we've got 15 halves. Now my way of doing this, just to explain here, is to turn it into an improper fraction, then take a third of the improper fraction. So say for example with the 15 you times that by 2 and add 1, so that's 31 over 2, but obviously it's a third of 31 half, so it's a 31 sixes, so that's going to be 5 and 1 6, if you know what I mean. So watch, 5 and 1 6, and you see that's perfect. And so for this next one, if you look, see you've got 14 and a quarter. Again, you're going to times the 14 by 4. So that's 46. That's 50. So that's 57. But it's going to be not over 4. It's going to be over 12. Now 12 goes into 57 4 times, remainder 9. So that's 12 and 9 twelfths. Now 9 twelfths can be cancelled further. So that is 9 and 3/4. What? Oh god, no, 4 and 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3/4. And you can express 3/4 that way in perfect. So that's another example. See with this one, you've got 7 and 1/8. Again, you want to do that method. So it's 57 over 24. Yeah, 57 over 24. Well, we know that's going to be, well, it goes 48, 24, 57. So 48 and 48, 9 24ths. So that's 2 and 9 24ths, 2 and 9 24ths. So that's 2 and 3/8. Watch, 1, 2, and 3/8, which is that? Perfect again. You're probably wondering what the hell was this thought process there. Sometimes you just have to visualize this. So again, we've got 33 over 24. So that's 6, 9, Jesus, I'm losing the thread. Let me think again. 33 over 24. That's twice. 2 and 9 24s. 2 and 3/8. It's 2 and 3/8. Fuck! It's not 2 and 3/8. Let me try that again. 33. Wait, 4/8 is 32. Add 1, that's 33 over 24. 33 over 24. 33 over 24. I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. 33 over 24. With 24. 6, 9, 9, 9 24ths. That's 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 goes into 24 8 times. So that's 3/8. How have I done this wrong? 2 and 3/8. I can't. Wait a minute. It's 1. Fucking hell, that's just so. I'm so stupid. Why did I do that? My apologies, everyone. So this one's pretty easy. Technically, you don't even need to actually do my method. It's that easy because essentially you're just halving the 6. So it's just going to be. No, you're not halving it. You're taking a third of the 6, but taking a third of the 6 is easy. So you just get 2 and 1 6. So 2 and 1 6 there. No need to do the conversion. So, I mean, that's 1 and 1 6, obviously. I mean, some of them you don't even need to convert into the improper fraction. So that's a quick example of how to do that one. It went really badly on one of those because a great job, you fucking you bastards. Yeah, well, there you go. Let's see what's next in the pecking order. Discounting, as you know, I hate that. Syntax. Okay, I'll show you both. Maybe this is just going to be one of those math ones, because I think I've shown you syntax. So let's do some discounting. So with this one, you get like 10% off. So that's an example of 10% of £40, and this one's a quarter of 50. And you have to order, it says here, from least expensive to most expensive. And obviously that's 36 and a quarter of, wait, a quarter of what? 50? A quarter of 50. What's a quarter of 50? That's 12. Let's take 12 from 50, which is 42. 41.5. What did I say the other one was? I said it was 36, 31.5, 32. Well, it has to be that than that. There we go. 20%, so that's a fifth, so that's going to be taken 4, so you get 16 there, and then 30% of 22. Well, we all know that that is, God, £6.60 of 22. Okay, it still won't be enough. So, oh fuck! Stupid shitty ass bastard math brain can't even fucking do this shit. A fifth of 33. A fifth of 33. Well, I'll just call it 660. So take 660 from 33. You get 2640. 2640. So there we go. 30%, so that's 1. No, what am I on about? That's 2. 2 and 10% off that, which makes it 360. Down. There we go. Let me just think here. 10% off 2. That's, oh god, £24.90. £24.90. Trying to bear all these numbers in mind whilst trying to showcase on the video is another hard thing. £24.90. So £24.90 is there. 24.90. So that's right. And then that was that's that one there. £24.90. So that one, then that one, and that's between them two. Well, obviously we can see where that's the discount. So yeah, it's very difficult to do maths whilst you're broadcasting on the fly. And so again, it's just a great job, which is very disappointing. Name recall. Have we done expression yet? Let me have a look. No, I think we have. Okay, I'll tell you what we'll do. I'm going to actually show you name recall. If we're lucky, you'll be able to hear it as it's being said. I'm not really good at this one. Yes, make sure you got your sound on. With name recall, you're given profiles of people and you just have to remember the names of the people in it. So
I'm glad you could join us for trivia night. This is Olivia. She's an oceanography major, so she'll know a lot of the science questions. Over here is Sophie, my roommate. She's a sports fanatic and is great at answering questions in that category. This is Michaela. She's a movie buff, so she knows a wealth of pop culture trivia. She also brought a tray of her delicious spring rolls. And this is Gianna. She's traveled all over Europe and Asia, so she knows her geography.
So quite clearly we have here this one, that was Olivia, as you remember, because she was the Oceani scientist. Then we've got this one here. Now this was Sophie, and I can tell because she's got that sort of Sophie pigtail, and she was the sports person, sports fan Sophie, yeah. Then we've got this one, and this was no, hang on, bloody hell, movie. This one was Michaela, Spring Roll movie buff Michaela. And then that one was Geography Gianna. Sometimes you want to use a bit of alliteration with this. So there's Geography Gianna. Then what we're asked to do is order them. So remember, we've got Sophie with the pigtails and Michaela there. Here we've got Olivia and Geography Gianna. Then what you have to do. So Geography Gianna up there, Oceana Olivia. Spring Roll was, oh god, I can't even remember. Oh, fuck me. I get really annoyed when I get one wrong. So, what we got? Only a great job. Great fucking job. Well done, Jay, you fucking stupid idiot. So there we go. That just shows you, doesn't it, how much of an idiot I am. I'm very glad that I'm showcasing to the world how low my IQ is and how bad my memory is. It always makes me feel better when the world knows that I'm stupid. Oh look, your IQ is only 213.